At ngayong umaga naman matututukan natin ang Orchestra Festival na naganap sa CCP kasama si Leylin Caragay sa I Love My Culture.
Good morning mga boss, at ngayong araw ay ating sasaksihan ang paglulungsad ng 2014 CCP Orchestra and Band Festival Goes Nationwide. Inulunsad ng Cultural Center of ang CCP Orchestra and Band Festival na magsisimula sa July 1st to July 6 na magaganap sa CCP Main and Little Theaters. Ang layunin nito ay ipagpatuloy ang mga nakalipas na proyekto na itanghal ang mga iba't ibang orchestra at symphonic bands ng bansa. Ang press con ay dinaluhan ng mga maestro mula sa iba't ibang orkestra ng bansa. So, Professor, what is the difference between the first orchestra festival and this year's festival?
Well, the first festival was for symphony orchestra, meaning strings and winds and percussions. Now, the second festival was band, no strings, only winds and percussions. So that's the difference.
So who are the performing orchestras and bands this year?
We have the military bands, the Philippine Army Band, Philippine Air Force Band, Philippine Navy Band, Philippine Symphonic Band, and for the first time, the Presidential Security Group Band. We have the Bulacan State University Band, Bukidnon State University Band. We have the Malindig Institute Band from Marinduque. We have the Santa Maria 88 Band. We have the Banda Cabiao from Nueva Ecija. We also have the Pilbanda, of course, the Pilbanda Wind Orchestra. We have the De La Salle Santiago Sobel Band, Kapisanan Banda 11 ng Pulang Buhangin, Santa Maria.
So what is the main goal or main objective of this festival?
To foster strong and healthy camaraderie among musicians, conductors, composers, and aficionados. At the same time, giving opportunities sa ating mga banda to perform here at CCP.
So what are the other plans naman po, like 1 to 2 years from now?
We hope that our festival will become international, meaning we can invite other bands or orchestras from Asia or even from America.
Ang isa sa best ensembles ng bansa, ang USC Wind Orchestra, ang kauna-unahang Philippine Symphonic Band na lumahok sa International Band Competition, ay nagpamalas ng kanilang musical piece na Procession of Nobles at Disney's Fantalusion.
I would like to invite everyone to please watch the CCP Orchestra and Band Festival July 1 to 6. Every night we have concerts. Please join us and watch our concerts.
Orchestra and Band Festival na ito ay ipakilala ang performing arts sa iba't ibang panig ng bansa at ipadinig ang kanilang symphonic sounds. Kaya naman tangkilikin sila, Leylin Caragay para sa I Love My Culture.